Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the roof surface. This is crucial because adhesion depends on cleanliness. Remove loose debris, oil, and old flaking waterproofing. You can use a pressure washer or stiff broom. Once done, inspect for cracks larger than 1/4 inch and fill them with cementitious patch or Dr FIXIT putty so the membrane lays flat. Make sure to prime the cleaned areas with the recommended Dr FIXIT primer. Apply one even coat and wait roughly 2 to 4 hours until tacky before proceeding. You now apply the Dr FIXIT waterproofing membrane methodically. This step controls long-term performance. Stir the material thoroughly, respecting pot life and manufacturer temperature limits because improper mixing weakens the film. Apply a thin first coat using a roller or brush, working in manageable 3 to 5 square meter sections so edges don't skin over before you finish. Where there are joints, corners, or cracks, immediately embed reinforcement fabric. Then make sure the first coat dries to touch before laying the second coat to build uniform thickness. You finish by applying the final coat to reach the manufacturer's recommended thickness. Smooth out any bubbles or overlaps as you go, because trapped air cuts lifespan. Once applied, keep off the roof for 24 to 48 hours. Full cure takes longer depending on temperature and humidity, so plan access accordingly. If you find pinholes or thin spots after curing, recoat immediately. If blisters or delamination appear, cut out the blister. Let the substrate dry, then relayer patch and reapply membrane to restore continuity.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.